Welcome to Veg Patch Kitchen Cookery School. I'm going to show you how to make a garlic swirl bread. So here I've got a loaf tin, £2 loaf tin, and this here is a dough made with 500 grams of flour. Okay, so you can use any bread recipe that you like to use. Okie doke. So what I've done is I've just stretched it out into an oblong shape. And then here I've got 150 grams of unsalted butter, 3 cloves of garlic and a handful of parsley. And I've chopped the garlic with the parsley and about half a teaspoon of salt. So it was unsalted butter. If you're using salted, you don't need the extra salt in there. And then I'm just going to make sure that I've got that all over the dough. Flavour your butter how you think fit. So if you want more or less garlic, that's fine. This makes quite a strong garlic butter with the 3 cloves of garlic in there. And then I'm just going to make sure I'm pushing it to the sides. You could also use pesto or harissa, or for a sweet version of this you could use chocolate spread or butter mixed with the same amount of sugar. So if you're using 150 grams of butter, 150 grams of sugar and a teaspoon of cinnamon to make cinnamon butter. And then I'm just going to roll it up from the short edge. You see the the semolina there that I used underneath. It's getting slightly stuck on the table. Bit more semolina. And now I want to shape it. So it's got a swirl through it, and now I'm going to fold it into 3. Okay, ready to shape and pop into my loaf tin. Okay, and now it's going to need to rise again. So it's a warm day here today, so it's going to take about half an hour at room temperature to get ready for the oven. When I put my hand over it, it will feel uniformly light all over. I will preheat the oven now to 220 degrees centigrade, so it's nice and hot by the time this is proved and ready to go in. And it will bake in this tin for about 30 minutes, possibly longer, depending on your oven, until it's nicely golden brown. Leave it to cool then before eating it. You can eat it just warm, but you want the crumb inside to set properly. So once it's baked, do leave it on the cooling rack just to cool down, let the crumb set, and then you can eat it when it's just warm, and it's absolutely delicious.